Hello friends, today we are going to make chocolate and vanilla mug cake. First we will make the vanilla cakes mixture ready. First we will give 3 tablespoons flour on the mug. Then we will give sugar 3 tablespoons. Then we will give salt 1 pinch. Then we will mix it. Now we will give 2 tablespoons oil. Now we will give milk 3 tablespoons. Now we are going to give half egg, means egg yolk. Now we are going to give baking powder half teaspoon. Then we are going to give vanilla essence half teaspoon. Then now we are going to give sweet spring ball 1 tablespoon. Now our vanilla mixture is ready. Now we are going to do chocolate mixture. First we need 3 tablespoons flour. Then we need cocoa powder 1 tablespoon. Then we need sugar 3 tablespoons. Now we are going to mix it. Then we need salt 1 pinch. Then we need chocolate chips 1 tablespoon. Then oil 2 tablespoons. Milk 3 tablespoons. Now we are going to give half egg. Then we are going to give baking powder half teaspoon. Then vanilla essence half teaspoon. Now we need to mix it. Now we are going to bake the mixtures, vanilla mixture and the chocolate mixture. Now the 2 mixtures are ready. Now we are going to bake the 2 mixtures for 2 minutes. Now our cakes are ready. Bye friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button.